The new stimulus measures announced by the US helped stabilize the markets. Investors are now optimistic but cautious at the same time. Emerging and energy markets are slowly recovering. On foreign exchange, the ruble is advancing against the US dollar. The Russian currency has also benefited from the current suspension of the federal loan bond selling. The US government is about to adopt stimulus package worth $2 trillion in order to support the national economy and combat the negative effects of the coronavirus outbreak. In the morning trade, Brent quotes were up by more than 2%. The international benchmark was last seen trading at $28.26 per barrel. WTI crude was gaining more than 3% at one point and settled at $24.47 a barrel. Oil is extending gains amid the US dollar plunge, which has dropped from its historical highs. In its latest announcement, the Federal Reserve pledged to intervene in corporate security markets and to boost liquidity. Investors also keep in mind promises made by Donald Trump, who hinted at a possible alliance with Saudi Arabia to stabilize oil prices. Washington actions managed to calm down the markets. However, the crisis is not over yet. Today's short-term recovery may not last long. Analysts expect that the oil market will face another collapse soon. The ruble is strengthening amid moderately positive background. The rise in emerging market currencies may also support the ruble. The dollar-ruble pair opened the trade in the negative territory, having settled at the level of 78.50. Despite the positive dynamics observed in the morning session, the Russian currency may come under pressure again. The recent monetary policy of the Federal Reserve is unlikely to provide any support to the currencies of emerging markets. Traders will start investing in highly profitable instruments only after the major markets stabilize. Some experts fear that the Fed's rescue measures may have only a short-term positive effect. Judging by the fundamental factors, the downward trend will persist. The coronavirus pandemic is spreading around the globe, while oil prices remain at their record lows. Besides, the US companies will soon issue their revenue reports, which are expected to be disappointing. So it is worth opening buy positions with stop-loss orders. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.